Good evening, fellow Snowpocalypse Blizzard 2016 fuckies. 703 Boss here, reporting for vlogging duty. So, so this is about the snowstorm and the drivers before and after. So, today I went in and cleared out the parking space with the car, and it's like over there, cleaned out. Anyways, so did that, and decided, hey, let's go onto the roads and see if I can get my Z out. And of course, the neighborhood wasn't plowed yet, and it was just a big clusterfuck and just not worth my time. So I'll do it another day. Anyways, completely irrelevant, but so I'm driving, and I see the strangest shit. There's plow trucks that have this big sign that say, stay back 100 feet. And people are like riding right behind it. And we're talking like not even 10 feet. And so, the salt and the sand is all kicking up on their cars, and they're satisfied with that. Yeah, that's cool. But then the plows get stuck, and people think it's a good idea to go around this massive, like 50 million pound vehicle that almost sideswipes them trying to get out of the fucking snowdrift or whatever they ran into. So there's that. Then there's, before the storm. I don't know. I mean, people think it's a good idea to drive, you can't see the asphalt anymore. It's completely white. And it's a good idea to go 65 miles an hour and make lane changes and smash into Jersey walls. That's an interesting insurance claim. Oh, what happened, Mr. Boombastic? Oh, well, it was snowing, and I had to get home, and I made a lane change at 74 miles an hour. And I just bought these all-season tires, and like I just slammed into the fucking wall. So anyways, Virginia State Police say, hey, please stay off the roads. So, naturally I think people did because they had no fucking choice. Good luck driving in this shit. So today, everyone starts clearing out, and, the cars are finally back on the road, and same thing that happened before the snow. The roads are still glazed over. You see, what happens after a 32-inch snowstorm is that even though it's plowed, there's still a lot of shit in different areas on the highway. So when you're going 79.3 miles an hour, and then all of a sudden you hit this 3 inches of snow, and then you brake, because that's a good idea. Yeah, that's a good idea. And then you slam into a Jersey wall. Why? You see me going 50 miles an hour, and then you want to pass me like I'm not going fast enough in the 32 inches of snow that we just had, and then get angry because I'm riding the left lane, which is the only lane clear. I don't know. And then, of course, the SUVers, because their tires aren't made of rubber and the same shit that's on my rear-wheel drive vehicle, they're special. In fact, I hear that they make anti-ice tires now. Maybe you should put those on and check your blinker fluid. Anyways, this is just me blabbing, and I haven't really gone out in like 2 days because I'm not a dipshit and crashing my cars all over the place in Northern Virginia. But this is just, come on. I mean, what possesses people to think that these roads aren't hazardous? Just slow the fuck down. When you see a plow truck, back the fuck up. Pretend that the plow truck is like, I don't know, like an MMA fighter, right? And you're like this weak piece of shit. You're probably not going to go up to that MMA fighter and tell him to like fuck off. So pretend like these big trucks, like the massive fucking snow trucks are a big MMA fighter that can fuck you up. It's gonna fuck you up if you run into it. And it's probably gonna be your fault. And you're probably gonna slam into that Jersey wall we've been talking about. You're probably gonna call your insurance company with this obnoxious fucking claim. What happened, Mr. Boombastic? Well, there was a snowplow that said keep back 100 feet. And it just wasn't going fast enough. I had to get, my nails done. And so I went on 93 miles an hour past it, and then I hit like a fucking snowbank and just whoosh, into the Jersey wall. Well, sorry, Mr. Boombastic, your insurance policy canceled at midnight 2 days ago for non-payment. Oh, fuck. Anyways, you get it. Slow the fuck down.
Mm-hmm. Oh, hi there. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe, like, and share. We love our fans. Online at 703boss.com and facebook.com/703boss. Cars. Comedy. Your Carmody headquarters.